back into the vertical with his Pitts S2S. The man from Georgia. It's Buck Roetman right here. Picking up airspeed after a beautiful hammerhead stall. Now down to about 140 miles an hour. Lighting up the skies of Ocean City. Smoke on! In a beautiful barrel loop. Now back into the vertical on the right. Trading airspeed for altitude. Can the plane keep flying? He's running out of speed. Right over the top. Kicking it back through the smoke, picking up that airspeed. He's a champion of the skies from Georgia. And from the right, look at this incredible Pitts S2S. Right off the deck, you can feel the water. It's Buck Roetman right here on the Air Doc Show Tour. Watch him tumble that aircraft. Back down to earth. Back down toward the water. Picking up that incredible airspeed. How close can you get to that water, Buck? How close? The smoke is bouncing off the water. He is a true champion. Painting a picture of aerobatics across the skies of Maryland on a Saturday afternoon along the boardwalk. Listen to the sound of that Pitts engine. And the incredible Buck Roetman.